In this video, I'll show you how to link Zelle to my bank account. By the way, if you run a business, Zelle probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Go to the official Zelle website and tap Get Started. Select your bank from the list provided, then choose Continue to your bank. You'll be redirected to your bank's login page where you need to sign in with your online banking credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup and authorize the connection. Once finished, Zelle will be successfully linked to your bank account. Zelle is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, enroll is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Zelle offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed enroll review, covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.